Hey, get up.
I'm itchy.
Well, you slept in a barn, little lady. Lucky you don't have spiders in your hair. But I bet your daddy scared them all away, huh?
I'm, not her dad. Name's Lee.
I'm Kenny.
Dad, we're in the middle of a fence. There's a tractor and everything.
We better get going, or we won't hear the end of it. That's my boy, Ken Jr. We call him Duck, though.
Doc?
Yeah, nothing bothers him. Like water off a duck's back, you know?
That's a valuable trait lately.
No kidding. But frankly, I think it's because he's dumb as a bag of hammers.
Dad!
But he makes up for it with enthusiasm. The word is you were on your way to Macon.
My family's from there.
Well, Macon's on the way, and personally, I'd appreciate the company of a guy who can knock a couple of heads together if he has to.
Sure, we'll tag along.
It's a plan, then. Honey, Duck, this is Lee. And, what's the girl's name?
Clementine.
Clementine.
That is a very pretty name.
Thanks.
Well, we should get to work. We've all seen what those things can do out there, so the faster we get this fence up, the better.
I want to build a fence.
Yeah? Well, I need a good foreman. You can sit on the tractor and yell at me whenever I take a water break.
On a tractor? Cool!
Duck and I will hop to it.
I can keep an eye on your little girl here on the porch. We can visit.
So, okay. Kann ich auch etwas sagen? Salut zusammen. Neuer Part, The Walking Dead, Part 2. Wir sind also auf dem Bauernhof
You have
geblieben.
such pretty hair.
It gets lots of tangles.
Die zwei Frauen, oder sind da am Schwätzen, oder das Mädchen und die Frau da. Und ich muss dann schauen, wie ich es mache. Wahrscheinlich, weil es so sag schnell, sprachlastig ist, tue ich wahrscheinlich dort die Schnitte einfach so machen, dass ich am Anfang und am Ende der Session und die soll ich sagen, und den Rest tue ich einfach einen Cut machen, bang, ganze sauberen Schnitt, so. Irgendwie, muss dann schauen. Okay, genug geredet, wir wollen weitergehen, und es nimmt mich Wunder, was da passiert. Wer bist du?
Hey there, girls. You two actually look relaxed.
I think we're doing just fine. Clementine was just telling me about first grade.
Oh, how's that?
It's easy.
Well, yeah. So, you're good?
Anyway, it's almost like we didn't see people eating each other for the past 3 days. It's peaceful here, no?
Ja.
How did you handle getting through the city?
Kenny just drove. We passed so many people that needed help, and we just passed people. Over some, just...
It's okay. It's fine. You don't have to say anymore.
I want to go home tomorrow. But even then, I can't take away the things Doc went through. Don't you want to go back to the moment before you knew about all of this?
Wer schon nicht, hä? Ah, die Antwort ist sogar
Anybody
da.
in their right mind would. Families and barbecues and beers with good friends.
All of those things.
Those are the things we live for, right? With those gone, what's the point?
Ja, was machst du?
So, what do you do when corpses aren't walking around?
I'm a veterinarian back in Fort Lauderdale. Like Herschel here, except more with dogs and cats and not horses. What is it that you do, Lee?
I used to teach up at the University of Georgia.
We need to hope that we can go back to our jobs soon, Lee. Back to normal. It can't stay like this.
Ja.
No, I used to. I was let go a little while back.
Well, that's too bad. Well, I hear people always clamor back to college after a big disaster. People don't want to die ignorant, I guess.
Back in a bit.
Okay, Lee.
Ja. Und du, Clementine, musst du mir noch etwas sagen?
You having a nice time with Katja, Clementine?
Yeah.
Ah, Katja, okay. Das ist die Frau vom Kenny, hä? Können wir schauen?
Seems like those two are getting along.
Ja. Kenny, was machst du? Für etwas helfen?
It's not the most reliable pickup in the world, but it gets the job done.
Ja, das hoffen wir jetzt mal, hä?
Hey there, Kenny.
Was hast du jetzt vor? Ah, kann ich helfen, was du sagst, ja?
Need any help?
No, I think I got it. Do you need any help?
What do you mean?
I mean, in taking care of that little girl. You know what you're doing? You got kids of your own?
Nee, habe ich nicht. Es geht schon.
I think I've got it handled okay. As long as I keep her safe, I think I'm doing all right.
With those things out there, maybe. Sure, that's enough. But you gotta ask yourself if you're the type of guy who can do better than that if her parents don't show up.
Ach, Kenny,
I'll keep
reisst
that in
doch nicht.
mind.
Reisst doch nicht, Kenny. Was hast du
So
vor?
what's your family's plan?
Get back on down to Lauderdale and let this mess get sorted out. Government will start handing out shots and the National Guard will do its thing. On the odd chance things got too bad, we could hop on my boat, I guess.
You've got a boat.
I'm a commercial fisherman, catching mackerel, dolphin, whatever's biting and paying. Katja wouldn't be wild about it, but the boat's not that bad.
Delfinfänger. So. Delfine, hä? Die hätten dann gerne mal gegen Delfine fahren.
How's your son doing?
Good, I think. Katja's got a sister up in Memphis. We were coming back from visiting her. We were in a gas station and some guy grabbed my boy. I thought he was kidnapping him. I was on the fucker in about 2 seconds and... Christ. Just lucky I was there. We saw a lot of bodies before we stumbled upon Herschel's. But we're a tough family, Lee. Ain't nothing gonna faze us.
See you.
Ja. Ja, ich vermute, dass das der Anfang war, du. Das ist cool, das Fact. Echt. Hund läuft da um den Baum um. Die drin. Kuckuck.
How you doing, Duck?
Good. I'm gonna drive the tractor. I'm the foreman. Lift with your back, Sean.
Ja, also.
You know how to drive it?
Sure don't. I can give you a hell of a critique of the U.S. Farm Bill, though.
I'm good.
Kann ich dir etwas helfen?
Hey, Lee.
Need a hand?
That'd be great. If you could cut those 2x to length, that'd sure speed things up.
Okay, das machen wir doch.
My dad doesn't know how bad it is.
No, he doesn't.
I saw a guy in Atlanta kill a kid. A boy. Just shot him right in the face.
Scheiße.
Damn.
Oh shit, damn. He didn't even hesitate. He just turned, put the barrel of the gun right between the kid's eyes, and pulled the trigger. You don't see things like that. It's not like in the movies.
They don't fall like you think.
Did you have to do it?
Do what?
Kill. Have you had to off one yet?
Oh, sometimes it's kill or be killed.
I guess. I don't think I'd sleep good after that. I'm just glad we're getting this fence built. Dad just wants to keep the family safe and thinks inviting people in is a bigger threat than whatever's out there. How about yours? How's your family?
Das ging so schnell entscheiden.
I'm not quite sure where my ex-wife is.
Ah. Oh. Yeah. For sure. That's probably all I need cut for now. Thanks.
Okay.
And Sean, thanks again for the ride.
No problem, Lee. Couldn't leave you behind. Anyway, when you see my dad around, he might want some help in the barn.
Machen wir. Okay. Können wir gerade gucken. Ist da nie etwas, he? Kenny ist da, und sonst die zwei Mädels. Okay, Mr. Green.
How'd you get out of Atlanta?
I was on my way out anyway. Timing of all this just happened to be right.
Huh, if there ever is a good time for the supposed apocalypse.
This farm's a nice plot of land.
Huh, had you told me 20 years ago I'd still be doing this, I would have told you that you were full of crap. Never was a plan, having a place like this. It was in the family, and I guess so was I. Family's important. It's all that matters. You agree with that?
Was brought up to, yes.
Where's your family now? Parents? Wife? Girlfriend?
Keine Frau mehr.
My parents are in Macon with my brother.
Well, I hope they're all right. But now you've got this little girl to take care of. Clementine, is it? You just stumbled up on her?
Ja.
Yeah, I was looking for help in her house.
Can I give you a piece of advice?
Bitte? Sicher?
Sure.
I don't know who you are or what you did, but you better become a better liar, and fast. Let's say things don't get better back in the cities, or they get worse before they do. You're gonna have to depend on the honesty of strangers if you're gonna make it. And if those same people get to questioning yours, you're gonna be in trouble. So whoever you are and whatever you did, keep it to your damn self. But at least you have the common sense to listen to a man giving you advice.
Who?
Go! I'll get my gun!
Jetzt muss ich mich entscheiden, wann.
I got you.
Eddie, help me! Eddie!
Oh, Scheiße. Und Stoßli. Aua. Scheiße.
I'm okay, Pop. I'm okay.
I can fix you, don't worry. We'll stitch you up.
It almost got me, man. Lee tried to save me.
I know, son.
Get the fuck out of here!
I'm sorry.
Sorry? Your son is alive. You don't get to be sorry. You tried to help him, but this piece of shit let him die.
Ja, ist wirklich niemand schuld, hä?
You can't blame Kenny. The hell I can't. You watch your back. We can tell it's your daughter and you need his help. Please. Just go. Get out and never come back.
You've got that ride to Macon if you want it.
Okay. Clementine, was meinst du dazu?
Well, this is as far as we're going.
And it's far enough.
Look!
Hey there! You friendly?
Hey,
Truck's run out of
das ist nicht
gas.
eine gute Idee. Du.
Fuck!
We're trapped!
Ja! Wer bist du?
We can't take risks like this. And we can't just let people die, either. When I say that door stays shut no matter what, I fucking mean it. We don't know who these people are. It could be dangerous.
Worse, they could have let him right to us.
Ja,
Where the hell is your humanity? They would have died out there.
Then we let him.
nur ruhig, nur
Chill
ruhig.
the fuck out, lady. We're just people trying to avoid those things, just like you.
Don't come in here and swear at me.
I'll say whatever I want if you start threatening these people.
You'll have to excuse her. The hell he or anyone will. This is about survival. Do you guys not see what's happening?
What is it?
Ja.
I have to pee.
I'd go out there again in a second.
I bet you would.
Er war tot.
You're a dumb, careless kid. I would too.
Klein.
In a minute, Clem.
They've got kids, Lily.
Those things outside don't care.
Maybe you should go join them then. You'll have something in common. God damn it, Lily. You have to control these people.
Carly and Glenn just ran out there.
I don't give a flying fuck. We're in a war zone.
She's not wrong. They took a risk,
Yes, we did.
and we appreciate it. Now let's settle down.
Holy shit. Son of a bitch. One of them is bitten.
Nee.
He wasn't bitten.
Hell, he wasn't. We have to end this now.
Over my dead body.
Hey.
We'll dig one hole.
No, I'm cleaning him up. There's no bite. He's fine.
Don't you fucking people get it? We've already seen this happen. We let someone with a bite stay in, and we all end up bitten. Shut up. We gotta throw him out, or smash his head in.
Kenny, stop him!
Hey, what do we do about this guy?
Dad,
Hey,
it's
halt,
just
halt,
a boy.
halt, halt.
It's...
Lily, I'll handle
But
this.
your heart, Dad. You need to calm down. We'll get this kid out of here.
We kick his ass.
That's what I'm thinking.
Everyone chill the fuck out! Nobody is doing anything.
Shut up, Lily. And you, shut the fuck up. They will find us, and they will get in here, and none of this will fucking matter. But right now, we're about to be trapped in here with one of those things.
What the hell are you talking about?
He's bitten! That's how you turn!
He's not bitten. Please stop this. It's upsetting him.
Oh, I'm upsetting him. Upsetting is getting eaten alive.
Dad, we get it. It's a big deal.
Do you? You're not fucking acting like
Halt,
it.
halt.
Sit down. That's it.
You're gonna whoop me? You and what homo parade? This one. That's good. Little boy, Before you eat your mommy, you can watch your dad get his nose broken.
I'm gonna kill the cat. Just worry about Duck.
Lee!
Yeah?
There's someone in there!
It's just locked. Key's behind the counter. Probably.
Hey, I'm not the bad guy here. I'm just looking out for my daughter.
No, you're just the guy arguing for killing a kid.
He's covered in muck. She'll find the bite. Watch.
She won't.
And if she does, the first thing he'll do is sink his teeth into his mom's face. Then, once she's dead, he'll probably pounce on your little girl. She'll turn fast. Then, there'll be 3.
It's a little boy. I think we can handle him.
A little boy? He'll be an uncontrollable man-eater.
It's not gonna happen.
It is. And we're tossing him out now.
Ja, nee, ich bin mit dem Kenny.
No! You don't touch that boy! You don't touch anybody! I've got a little girl I'm trying to protect in here, too. You want to get violent, you old fuck? Well, come on! You better have a plan to kill me, though, because it's me before anyone else in here!
Oh.
Jesus!
Oh.
Get away from her, you son of a bitch!
Come on,
Man.
See. Ja.
You okay?
Okay,
That's great,
yes.
thanks.
Guys?
Everybody down. Stay quiet.
They're gonna get in. Shut up.
Is that the military?
I don't know.
Thank God for whatever it is.
We almost died because of this bitch and the Richie trigger finger. That was stupid. That was...
Dad!
Was hat Herzattacken? Well...
I did try to get him to calm down.
Can it, asshole? It's his heart.
My pills.
Nitroglycerin pills? Yes, we're out. We've been trying to get into the pharmacy since we got here. Please try to get in there. Behind the counter where the pills are.
Okay. Okay.
What are we looking for?
We need nitroglycerin pills. Please get in there. I'll keep an eye on my dad.
Everyone else should
Okay.
get comfy and look for anything useful. We could be in here a while.
I'm starting to think this drugstore isn't a permanent solution.
You're right. This ain't exactly Fort Knox.
What do you suggest?
We need as much gas as possible so we can all get out of downtown Macon. Fast.
Agreed.
And I'll head out and get gas. There's a motel not too far from here, out towards the end of Peachtree. I'll work my way towards it and then loop back, siphoning what I can.
Okay. No.
You know your way around? Local?
Born and raised.
If you're gonna do that, here's a walkie-talkie if you get in a tight spot.
Oh,
Hopefully,
okay.
You won't need it.
Cool.
Clementine's got the other one. Check in with her and get back here as soon as you can.
And you? What's your name?
It's Lily. My dad's Larry.
Keep a good eye on him. These boys will work on getting you your medicine.
That's right.
And you keep an eye on that front door. You're our lookout.
It's Doug. You got it.
And I'm Carly.
Okay, Carly, you'll shift in with Doug when he needs it. For now, get some rest. You're a good shot, and I'd like to keep it that way.
You got it, boss.
Now get him those pills.
Also, Carly und Lily, der Tag. Okay. Schauen wir mal, was es da so hat. Mit dir kann ich reden. Was ist da? Easter Egg erkannt.
You're a
Sie
pretty
ist
good
Lily,
shot.
Well, you don't fuck with a reporter, especially one that's 3 days out from her last cup of coffee.
Ja.
You seem to handle yourself pretty well.
Really? I'm a disaster.
I can't tell.
My news editor was eaten about 5 feet away from me, and I would have joined her if it wasn't for that dorky guy on watch over there.
I'm sorry.
She was an asshole, but, you know.
Yeah.
Okay.
What are you messing around with there?
A radio. I can't get it to work, though.
Here, let me have a look.
Schauen wir mal. Power.
Nothing.
Nee, hè. Volume. Auch nicht. Allemaal.
Nothing.
Aha, batterieën.
There are no
Alles
batteries in
klar.
this thing.
What now?
You know that there are no batteries in that thing.
Yeah, of course. I mean, yeah. No.
I can try to find some. Needs two.
Thanks. I wouldn't even really know what to look for.
Okay. Batterieën, hè. Was ist mit dem?
Heard or seen anything?
Nothing, luckily. Wanna step outside, have a look around?
I'm not suicidal yet.
No, the gate out there is closed. We can hang out in front of the store and be fine.
Oh, huh.
Ja, nee, niet im Moment nicht. Nachher.
Not right
Ich will mich
now.
heute
Alright,
drinnen.
let me know if you want to.
Wenn du willst, okay. Ich will mich heute drinnen ein bisschen umschauen, was es hat noch so. Ich finde, da ist sicher irgendwo Batterien da. Nein. Irgendetwas. Da ist etwas. Energieriegel. Was kann ich mit dem? Kann ich den... was ist das? Gamekasten. Jukebox.
It's not damaged. Glad this place didn't get looted.
Aha, gelootet. Oh, hier kann ich den Riegel geben.
It's not much, but here you go.
Thank you.
Of course.
Okay.
Hey there.
Hi.
Can I, get you anything?
I'm okay. Maybe I'm a little hungry.
Still, huh?
Yeah, it wasn't much.
I know, Clem. I'll see if I can find something else for you.
Was Neues von Glenn, das ist jetzt der andere, wo gegangen ist, was das Walkie-Talkie hat mitgenommen. Sollten uns kennenlernen? Ja, das klingt eigentlich auch nicht schlecht.
So,
Are you okay?
what? Yeah, I'm fine. I just, I'm good.
That's good.
Yeah, I think so. Being good is good, despite the circumstances.
Yep.
Das herziges Bützi.
Any word from Glenn?
Nothing. Is he okay?
Yeah, I think so. You're doing a good job. Well, sit tight.
Okay.
Okay. Was ist da? Batterie, gib. Eine von zwei, hä? Da ist noch Energieriegel. Ah, ihr kann ich auch einen geben. Oder ihm. Ihr kann ich auch einen geben, schau.
It's not much, but here.
You sure?
Yeah, you're under quite a bit of stress.
Thanks. That's, really sweet.
Don't mention it.
Kann ich mit dir noch reden, mit der Lily?
How's he doing?
I'm not sure I got your name.
It's Lee.
Lily. My dad's Larry. I was just doing what I had to earlier.
Everyone was.
Now his heart's acting up again and I'm powerless to do anything. And that violence before with my dad, that didn't help.
Ja, easy.
What do you think about all this?
What is there to think? The dead are up, walking around, eating people, and turning them into more of them. I mean, Jesus.
We need to stick together and get through this.
Ja. Ja.
What's wrong with him?
He's got a heart condition. He takes nitroglycerin tablets pretty regularly. I've seen a few bad attacks that he couldn't get over and needed to go to the hospital.
Yeah, that's not really an option right now.
I'm just trying to keep him relaxed.
Ja, okay.
He's got a temper.
Ah, fuck you.
Yeah, he doesn't mean it.
It's just that...
Yeah?
Ja, wir haben Kinder, das stimmt.
Got kids here. Families.
He and I are a family.
I'm just saying some people can't handle a temper like that. Hell, barely seems like you can.
It's just his way. Don't make him the reason everything's screwed.
Ja,
Where's her
hat er ja
mom?
nicht Joke gegeben.
Savannah, I think.
Oh, you guys aren't together.
Oh, no, I'm not her dad. I found her in a house when getting out of Atlanta. She'd been surviving by herself. I think the girl's parents didn't make it.
Oh.
I heard an answering message. They were in Savannah. She was home with a sitter. It wasn't good.
Well, she's lucky to have you.
Ja. Ist ziemlich hart, da plötzlich Zombies daherkommen. Fressen und beißen und kratzen.
You're from here?
I work at Warner Robins, the Air Force Base.
Yeah, I know it. Pilot?
Nah, just mechanical admin stuff. I deal with a bunch of shitheads and bureaucrats all day. Sometimes a plane, if I'm lucky. You?
I work up at UGA.
Hättest du noch ein Flügerrecht?
Was anyone here when you guys got here?
No, this place was pretty wrecked. We pulled a couple of bodies out of the office. Are you okay?
Yeah, I'm fine.
Did you know anybody here?
Yeah, the owners, we were close.
I'm sorry. We found an older couple in the office. Dad hauled them out in case they weren't really dead. I'm gonna get back to him.
Sounds good.